Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, printer people and printed people, and welcome. Today I am going to do a little bit of an upgrades to my 3D printer. Right now I'm filming this. I am in a bit of a pain due to my back has been hurt. But anyway, let's get on with the video. So, this is my setup at the moment. You see the 3D printers there, and there we have the cookie plate with the giant spool on. And now this is my dagoma neva magic. So you need a cookie plate from IKEA, which is rotating, and you need this friction mesh to put the big spool on, because this is for when you have really big spools of filament under it. So here I extended the leg a little bit, and also I should have put the holes for the screws on the sides instead of the inside, but well, there are always gonna be improvements on things you designed. So I will put this up in a link below where I can upload it. Anyway, so now when they have been printed out, they look like this, and they will they're not perfect, they come out a little bit wrong, but they will work for this experiment. Anyway, so now I'm just sliding them in there, and also I see now we will put the big spool there, so you see that it actually fits under it, and now the cookie plate is going to be slide under there, place there, so, and then we're going to have the friction mesh. I'm going to put it there and cut it out, so it will actually not fall off the rotation thing. It has happened to me several times. It's very annoying. So now when we have done that and see that it actually fits under it, because this is about a kilo of filament, so now we're going to center it a little bit more, and due to it would be better if they were on the outside instead of the inside, as you see there. So I'm just marking here so we can remove everything and drill it and put some screws in it, but you see it looks quite centered and very good. So now you see there we have the little short screws. Make sure they're not longer, so they are not going into the table. And here, thank God for modern technology, because this wouldn't be possible with my back pains at the moment. But enough about that. So now when this has been putting back together, all of this here, they will just slide on there, and now we are going to calibrate it many times to see if it actually works, because there is a problem. I thought that it's going to shake itself apart, but it actually is very stable. So I tried to do this with this thing. This just shakes a lot when it's printed. So see you next one. A little bit of a minus on this printer is that it actually has exposed gears here. So I made this cover here because I accidentally cleaned off the plate and got in the back one there a plastic part in, which actually messed up the print on one of them. So now it has been improved. I printed out one part that was like this, that you can put your SD cards, and I cut it in half and just used them as the covers, and just cut these up in 3 parts and put them here.